Okay, it says we are live. Let me just check on. First of all, let me look at you guys. Let me just check on my other systems here to check we are live everywhere else. So let me just go to the various places to see that we are actually live. Okay, newest activity. Nope, new posts. I can't see we are live in the Facebook group. Why not? Okay, let me just refresh this. Let me check somewhere else. It's pin post. Why are we not live in the Facebook group? I don't know. I don't know why this is technically driving me crazy. All right, let me see if we're live in the Facebook page. We are live in the Facebook page. Why are we not live in the Facebook group? That's weird. Just see if I can. No, that's the Facebook page again. It's under media? No. Discussion? It should be under discussion. Why are we not live in the group? This is so weird. It says we should be live in the group, but we are not live in the group. Okay, I'm just going to take the video and post it in here after we're done because it's important I get you this information. I don't know why it's not streaming live into the group. It says it should be, but it isn't. Let me just check. YouTube is streaming live. It's been one of those weeks. It really has. So it doesn't surprise me, in all honesty, that it is not working. So let me just look here. Live. Yep, it looks like we're live in the group as well, in the YouTube. Okay. So, welcome to all the new users of Tiny Brander. For everybody that's joined this week, I apologize. This has not been our finest hour. It has not been what I demand of Tiny Brander. It's not the way that I run companies. It's not the way that I would want anybody to start off with a new company. Let me tell you what happened, first of all, and let me tell you how we're fixing it. So, about a week ago, 10 days, maybe 10 days ago, we had a breach in our security. First of all, I want to be 100% clear with everybody. Nobody's credit card details or personal details or anything like that have been compromised. You know, we don't hold your credit card details in any way. All of that is held completely separately by a completely separate company. We don't have even eyes on your credit card details. So rest assured, that is not an issue for you guys. What is an issue is, for some reason, whoever is doing this to us has been dropping script and malicious code into our Tiny Brander app, which is stopping it from functioning the way that it should do. At the moment, Tiny Brander is running what they call dirty. We're running dirty. We have malicious code in the site. It's not going to hurt your computer. It's not going to hurt your websites. But your websites might not be displaying correctly. And also you might be having trouble uploading images, editing labels, that kind of thing. So right now the app is not functioning as we want it to. What we did in that situation is, obviously, we take backups every day. What happened is, when we reinstalled that code, this is 10 days ago, It turns out that there is some kind of hidden Trojan script in there that was keeping it dormant. And what happened was, again, when we reissued it, everything worked fine for a few days. And then on Tuesday night, or Tuesday late afternoon, it activated itself again. So again, we had the issue with the code um, uh, deploying and causing things to break inside TinyBrander. So once again, unfortunately, sites are down and we are having issues getting it out. So here's what we've done. Once again, we have isolated a clean backup. So we have a clean backup. Okay. This is not ideal for you guys because we have to get back to before when this hidden Trojan was in the code. Okay. We don't want to have to do that because what it will mean is that some of you guys are going to lose data. You're going to lose work you've done. And I know you guys work so hard on creating the labels, working on the sites, editing the sites, doing a lot of work. And we don't want you to have to go back and redo all that work. At the very, very, very worst case scenario, we will, but we don't want to have to do that. Okay, so the situation is right now we have an isolated, clean backup that isn't running right now. What we are doing right now is we've employed the services of a specialist company to scrub our data, scrub our script, and that is in process right now. I don't know how long it's going to take. I really don't. It's got to go through all the script in the entire, and there's thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of lines of code it needs to go through. I don't know how long it's going to take. Rest assured, it will be back. We are not a company that run away from our issues. We solve our issues, and we will solve this issue. It's not the first issue we've had to solve. It's just the biggest. And for everybody that joined in the last week, I appreciate 100% that this, for you, is your first experience with TinyBrander. Let me reassure you, this is not standard. This is not normal. This is not what I expect. It's not what my team expect. And we are putting things in place to make sure this can never, ever happen again. It's not easy. This happens to everybody. It happens to some of the biggest companies in the world. About 6 years ago, right when ClickFunnels, when ClickFunnels was really growing fast, it was getting thousands of members a day. ClickFunnels went down for, I think, 2 days, okay, because they had a similar issue. Now it's happening to us. It's not what we want, obviously, but we are going to deal with it. We are going to get clean. We are going to get clean script, and hopefully. And I'm keeping all of my fingers and toes crossed, and I wish that all of you will do the same. That we're going to be able to clean the script that is there now so that you guys don't have to go back and redo any work. That's the last thing I want. What I want you guys to do for me now is just have a little patience and bear with me. Please, number one, don't do any work on any of the sites, because worst case scenario is that we have to go back, and I don't want you losing anything, wasting any time working on something that you then subsequently end up losing. Okay, so please just hold tight, have a little patience with us. We will get this fixed, and we will be back stronger than ever. And I'm going to work out, right now I don't have the time to do it, but I'm going to work out some kind of thing that I can do for you guys to recompense you for this downtime. It's not what I expect. It's not what I want, but I'm going to work out something that we can do for you, whether it's an extra training, whether it's some time with me. We're going to figure something out that whatever it is, we're going to recompense you, get something added into your account, some added feature that we were going to add at a charge. We'll give it you for free. Something will be worked out to recompense everybody who's been inconvenienced by this. Just know we're going to stand by our product. We do stand by our product. I know the guys that have been in for a long time of TinyBrand know that this is going to be a blip in the road and understand that. But for the other people who are brand new, I just want to reassure you, this is not standard, and we will get over this, and we will be back stronger than ever. And just have a little patience. We will be there, and you'll be able to build sites and run great supplement brands and all of that kind of good stuff. So please just bear with us. Hopefully, 24 hours. Worst case scenario, we'll be back up and running. It might go longer than that. I really don't know at this stage, but I'm hoping, fingers and toes crossed, that 24 hours and we'll be back with clean code that is protected and will not have a problem in the future. So that's where we are, guys. As I said, my team literally have been working 18, 20-hour days. They've been sleeping in the office. They are asleep now. Probably in another 4 to 6 hours, they'll be back up looking at the code, seeing what the scrubbers have done, seeing whether they've been able to fix things, and then configuring everything. I myself have only had 4 hours sleep over the last 2 days, so I'm exhausted. My team's exhausted, and we just need time to rest in order to be able to do this thing properly. So if you'd just be kind enough to bear with us for the next 24 hours, we will be back. We will be up and running. And if necessary, I'll be doing another live to update you all on what's happening. Thank you so much for your patience. I do appreciate it. And I'll be back to update you all shortly. Thanks. Bye-bye.